All right. Well, we are live, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you later this week. Actually, technically, my stream is next week, but I am looking forward to giving a stream about top tips for contributing to open source. You might have seen me in the DigitalOcean YouTube channel, so definitely check that out if you haven't. I'll cover one of those tips real quickly and briefly, but for now, I'm going to actually share my screen because I came prepared to walk through a couple different things. Excellent. So first tip that I wanted to share real quick is that you can actually search for Hacktoberfest labels if you'd like to on, I didn't even introduce myself, so sorry, it's like a false start. I'm Brian. I'm a developer advocate here at GitHub, and my focus is around open source and GitHub Actions. So I do a lot of different things, but github.com/search is a place where you could actually search for labels, which is Hacktoberfest. So if you're interested in contributing to Hacktoberfest labels, I highly recommend leveraging this. You can actually get a little overwhelmed. As you can see, there's 109,000 labels. But what's pretty cool is that there's some other filters you can do within this that if I wanted to search for anything past, let's just say September 1st, I can do that there. And then I can see all the labels that have been labeled recently. So imagine if you're next Friday, you just want labels that were labeled that day, you can do that just like so. And I do want to point out that github.com/search is the same search bar that you can leverage from anywhere part in GitHub for yourself. So check that out. There are advanced search tips here. You can actually have a nice little WYSIWYG here, or you can just check out some really quick prefixes as well. So pretty beneficial. The other things I wanted to cover real quick is the things like the contributing MD. I'm a maintainer myself, so I've learned a lot of what I am sharing. I will be sharing on stream from the contributing MD. So this one's mine. And one thing I want to point out is that there are going to be some really important explanations on how to actually open up your contribution, even respond to issues. For my project in particular, I recommend that people actually assign themselves to issues, which I have here. So definitely check that out. And then finally, the last tip I just wanted to share real quick, which is going to be super helpful for you, is github.com/stars. Now, this is a way for you to sort of bookmark projects for later. Not a lot of people know about github.com/stars. I won't go into detail about this in my stream, but I thought it would be a nice little underhand pitch for you to star repos, check out repos you sort of save for later. Even for Superbase is one of the projects that I want to contribute to. So that sort of rounds up some really quick tips. I will go in way more detail about these tips and other tips in the stream, the longer stream. I recommend you check out the description below for details on how you can sort of opt into a challenge for the stream in the future. You can also find my information as well linked in the stream below for the stream I'll be doing next week as well. So again, I'm Brian Douglas. You can also find me as BWO on Twitter, which is going to be my name here on the screen as well. And thanks for joining the stream, and I look forward to hacking along with you during Hacktoberfest.